Hey, what's up guys, this is Sagambori. It's almost been nearly 6 years since I've uploaded any videos on YouTube actually. Now, that's a really long time, like really long time. Anyways, in this video, I will show you guys how to download and install the full version of IDM for absolutely free of course, since many of you guys still have the same problem of using IDM and after some days not able to use the full version of it again. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see in this video, my IDM does not work clearly as it has expired the trial period. But don't worry, I will help you with this anyways. So first of all, you need to go to the control panel. So let me search the control panel. So after going to the control panel, you need to go to uninstall a program and then search IDM. So after finding IDM, hit the uninstall button. Yes. And then it will now ask you whether to uninstall it full or default. Just select full and then proceed. Now IDM will ask you to reboot your PC. So you need to reboot your PC. So I will just skip this part. So as you guys can see, I have restarted my PC and now the IDM software is completely gone from this PC. So the next thing to do after restarting a PC, just disable your antivirus. If you guys have any antivirus installed on your PC, just disable it for let's say 15 minutes. I have already disabled my antivirus, so I am not going to do it again. So after disabling your antivirus, you need to open Google Chrome and then go to this website. Don't worry, I have given the link for this website in the description section down below. So after opening this website, you need to download this RAR file. I have already downloaded this RAR file, so I am not going to download it again. So I will go straight to the download section. So after downloading this RAR file, you need to extract this RAR file. Now here you will ask a password. Now the password is actually really simple. It's just 123. I have also shared the password in the description. So extract this RAR file, and then after extracting the RAR file, you need to go to this. And then you need to open the setup. After opening the setup, you need to proceed with the installation. It's really simple. So after finishing the installation, you need to do one more step. Now this is the most important part of this tutorial. You need to open this iTutorial fix and then patch and then copy this iTutorial fix. After copying this, you need to paste it in the file location of the IDM. Open the file location of IDM and then paste it here. So after pasting it here, you need to open this file and run it as administrator. Now IDM will ask you to enable or disable the update checker. You need to disable it and then create this file and then finish the file. Now you can open IDM. After opening IDM, you can see that it is not asking you for registration again. So this means that you just have installed the full version of IDM for lifetime. So I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next video. Peace.